Today I'm going to guide you through a super easy way to find out if someone has Snapchat Plus. This feature has become quite popular, and it's nice to know who's enjoying those extra perks. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Snapchat app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see a search bar. This is where we'll start our search. Now, click on the search bar and type in the name of the person you want to check. Make sure you spell it correctly to find them easily. As you type, you'll see suggestions pop up below the search bar. Look for the person's name and tap on their profile when it appears in the list. Once you're on their profile page, you'll see various details about them, like their Snap score, Bitmoji, and maybe even some Snap stories. But what we're really looking for is a little yellow star icon. Keep an eye out. This yellow star indicates that the person is subscribed to Snapchat Plus. It's a special badge that shows they're enjoying all the exclusive features that come with a subscription. If you don't see the yellow star next to their username, don't worry. That simply means they're not using Snapchat Plus at this time. It's as straightforward as that. So to recap, just search for the person, check their profile, and look for the yellow star. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.